Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of The Younger Sister Just Want Me to Coax Her. Chapter 51, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Gusing and Mengyan. Gusing suddenly surprised that Mengyan was there. She don't think that Mengyan was going there to her. This time, there will be no guys who don't have long eyes to disturb them. Well, definitely, Gusing, she's really getting angry. Why are you here? Gusing is asking Mengyan, but Mengyan, of course, right now, she's not answering her. He said to her, I will always catch you, even if you are too far away from her. Of course, she will always go after her. So it turns out, Mengyan, she's really tricky person, and also, she's really resourceful. Even though it was really questionable, how can she get on Franca's house? Well, definitely, it was really a good thing. But Mengyan said to her right now, of course, someone was told me. Allard said to you to stop pestering me, leave me alone, or I'll give you to Franca. Gosing said to her. Now, it's like a warning to hers. But of course, Mengyan, she really don't care about that. All she can care is about Gusing, and now, that's why she was with her. Of course, she will always follow her. Gusing is trying something. Who do you think you are? Gusing, she is being impatient. Well, definitely, it was really painful if it's get by on Mengyan. Suddenly, at the end, she stopped her hands. This is really shocking, and also, Gusing, how can she does this on Mengyan? Well, definitely, it's really getting crazy. I can't argue with you. Now, her hand is shaking. Obviously, I have done so much to you back at home. Now, it really makes sense to her. Even, she really can't do that. Sister, you're shaking. It's so cute. Please, let me feel you more. Well, definitely, she's really getting tricky. Also, let's see. And what trick is she going to tell her? Listen to me, Mengyan. I don't care about you at all. Gusing said to her. Listen to me, Mengyan, that she don't really care about her. Now, looking at Gusing. But, if you don't understand the human words, I will make you a video of you tonight. Everyone will know that you are with a different appearance and you will be a mouse in the gutter. Now, she is really getting impatient. Although she gave in, so I also make it public. Less than the 2 days before the end of the mission. Really, sister? I'll be jealous. Well, definitely, it is really strange for her. Now, looking at her face, she looks really surprised. Sister, will hold me tight. When I get excited, it's so cute. But right now, Gusing said, don't. When will it change? Well, of course, she is really acting strange. But now, suddenly, Gusing, she grabbed her. Probably she want to ask her something. Looking at Mengyan, she looks vulnerable. Let's see on what will happen. Since Gusing right now, she's really getting impatient. In addition, before my sister came, I also slightly invaded the woman's computer and saw something that was not so glamorous. If it's public, she will be definitely in trouble and hunted. My sister must have been scared by her before leaving me, right? I will help my sisters to get in back. How could Mengyan do such thing even if she no longer was the heroine in my writing? Mengyan didn't know that Franca was born in the underground world oligarch. The settings to inherit the power of the right to drive the relatives madly and the madman. At the end of the plot, Muyang's almost died at her hands. Don't fight against Franca, let alone provoke her. This is not a student's playing family. Gusing said to Mengyan. Well, of course. That's why right now, she's telling her the truth. In any case, I can watch Mengyan mess with her anyway. Why suddenly she looks really sad about this? Of course, she don't want Mengyan to interfere with this. Well, it really makes sense. If my sister goes to her new knives, now I will listen to my sister. Mengyan, you. So it turns out the food is not a problem, but it was only Mengyan. Just kidding, today I'm really angry, but I am also reluctant to embarrass my sister. Now, looking at her, she looks really happy. Of course, she don't want to embarrass her again. That's why right now, if I'll consider it. Was Mengyan was whispering slowly, but Gosing suddenly paused, well, trying to understand the situation. For now, Gosing, you, well, she's been warm, but right now, Gosing, the girl is calling her. I am still unwilling. Gu, are you really not thinking about being a lover for me? But of course, right now, it really doesn't matter to her. Make sure. Should I be quite generous to my lover and can fit the contract to you if you need it? Now, Franca, it seems that she can also act like a child, and it really makes sense right now. She was gossiping to Mengyan and Gosing, and it really makes sense. Sister and I come to point out yet. What is messy? Who will save me? One thing, I'm definitely better than your sister. Gosing. Now, she looks really rattled. Of course, this thing is really unbearable to her after hearing all the confession. I'm taller than her, so my fingers are longer than her. So it turns out this girl, she is really tricky person. But right now, Mengyan is Gusing. They're on the room, but suddenly Ken, she was screaming and said to shut up. Probably she don't really want to hear this. Mengyan, right now, she is trying to coax Gusing and said, does my sister feel the same way? So it turns out she can change also, especially right now. Sister, if you don't want me to open the door right now, just open yours. Oh, this is really insane, right? Gusing, what is she thinking right now? Well, let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!